Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the SuperSus game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the store page. From here, just click on the search box, and now you can type in SuperSus to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button or the Play Game button, and then this will be added to your library. You can then click on Play Now, and you will be asked to choose your install location. After choosing the directory and pressing the Install button, this will begin the download and installation of the game. And once it is completed, you can start enjoying the SuperSus game on your PC right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install SuperSus on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.